Tornado sirens sounded in Mississippi overnight as several large tornadoes moved through the area. At least 19 people are now confirmed dead. Witnesses say the damage there is extensive.
Complete and utter devastation. Just houses, roofs ripped off of houses, walls tucked down from houses, trees up. Seen several areas where parts of the asphalt had been jacked up from the ground. I mean, just complete devastation.
Oh my goodness, and look at this video of one of the tornadoes. We've paused it so you can see how large that tornado is in the darkness. You see it right in the center of your screen there. We're expected to learn more